Welcome to Mobile App Daily's Temu app review and walkthrough. Today we'll take you through everything you need to know before you start shopping on the Temu app. So let's dive in. Temu, a popular app since its launch, has revolutionized the way we shop. With its wide range of products and super affordable prices, Temu brings the luxury of shopping like a billionaire to consumers across the world. Temu offers a plethora of products, from sports equipments and home goods to clothing and electronics. But what sets Temu apart from its competitors? Let's find out. Temu ensures strict merchant controls to provide you with the best shopping experience. The customer-friendly policies include the Temu Purchase Protection Program, a hassle-free return and refund policy, and measures to address late deliveries. With in-app tracking and transparency about delivery times, Temu ensures your shopping journey is as seamless as possible. Once you open the Temu app, you land on the Home tab. Here, you'll discover a world of possibilities. As you scroll, Temu suggests items based on your preferences, making it easier to find what you're looking for. But what if you want to narrow down your selection? Simply head over to the Categories tab and explore specific product categories and refine your search. And if you know exactly what you want, you can use the search bar to find it instantly. Once you've found an item that catches your eye, click on it to access the item page. Here, you'll find detailed information, multiple pictures, and even customer reviews to help you make an informed decision. If applicable, you can easily select specifics like color and size to customize your order. And don't forget to check out the delivery options. From standard to express shipping, Temu provides you with various choices. Plus, you can see the percentage of orders delivered with specific time periods. Once you're ready to make a purchase, simply click on Add to Cart. Your cart will display the items you've chosen, making it easy to review your selection. If you change your mind or wish to remove any items, you can easily do so. It's all about ensuring your shopping experience is tailored to your preferences. Now that you've finalized your shopping list, let's move on to the checkout process. Input your shipping details accurately to ensure a smooth shipment. Double-checking your address is super essential. Temu offers a range of payment methods to suit your convenience. Whether you prefer Apple Pay, PayPal, Afterpay, or bank cards, Temu ensures secure transactions everywhere. All links are PCI certified and your data is protected with technical and physical safeguards. Once you've chosen your preferred payment method, it's time to submit your order. Fill in the required payment details with confidence and click on Submit Order. Congratulations! You have successfully placed your order. Now it's time to sit back and wait for your items to arrive. While you eagerly anticipate your delivery, Temu keeps you informed. You'll receive notifications or messages to let you know when your order has been shipped, adding to your excitement. Thank you for joining us on this Temu app review and walkthrough. We hope you enjoy your shopping experience on Temu. Remember, Temu offers a wide range of products at unbeatable prices, secure transaction, and excellent customer support. So, happy shopping! For more updates, follow Temu on social media and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Until next time.